Okay. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday, September 8th. Our focus is still place value. We're still leaving the same vocabulary, so keep in mind pictorial form uses pictures, standard form uses digits, word form uses letters, and expanded form uses the values. Our topic is gonna be what is the value of this set. So we're gonna be given a given set and we're gonna determine the value. Number of the day is 1020, and then of course make sure you're keeping yourself safe, and if you want to talk about your emotions or anything that's bothering you, please talk to me or Miss Hart during our morning meetings. Okay. So I'm going to continue now to the lesson objective. We will know the value of a given set. We'll understand the value of base 10 blocks and set using pictorials. We'll be able to describe the value of the set using the stem the set has a value of. So we're going to try to speak in complete sentences. Just a quick review, what is the value? So keep in mind you're always welcome to put pause and then continue. 1000, and that's the standard form, and una unidad de millar. For those Spanish that need a little bit of support. So again, put pause and determine the value of the set. So it's 1038. Now I put the standard form first and then the word form. 1038. 1038. Okay, so this is the part we're gonna focus now. What is the value? Now I don't have a pictorial anymore. So I used to have it, but now I just have the word form. So I have 200s. So I'm gonna go a little bit into small so I can use the tools. So if I have 200s, I could draw them out. 3 10s and 5 1s. And if you see right there how it told me the value, it's 200. Okay, this is 200, 30, and 5. So the value of this set is clearly 235. Apparently pop it. Okay. So the pictorial helped me because I did a drawing. Well, I can know that 200 is 200, 3 times is 30, and 5 1, so it's 235. That's only when it's nice and neat and organized, right? Okay. So now I'm gonna maximize it. Again, the value of 200. Hopefully you got some ideas, so I had to work it out. And it is 235. Okay. So now before I continue, notice the pattern too. I have 500. So what would I put here? 2 10s. What would I put here? And 7 1s. Or you could do a pictorial. So I already know 500s is how much. I'm going to take a full screen snippet before I continue. So this is 500. 2 10s is 20 and 7 1s. So if I add them up, but now I'm going to go a little bit backwards. Back. I'm going to put it with different colors. So now I'm going to put 20 here. Keep them nice and neat. And then I'm going to put 7 here. So now I can see my place value is 527. Okay, so hopefully that will be it. But I'm going to destroy this one. So if I pop it, it is 527. Okay, now only work again when it was nice and neat. Be careful with it reading. Okay, now this one is what's the value, but notice now I have 3 1s, 400s, and 8 10s. So now it's not in the correct order. So when that happens, I want you to think about what happens when it's not in the correct order. So now I can still write the values. So this is 3. This is 400. I'm putting the 3 and the 1s. And 8 10s is 80. So now it looks like that. But then I can rearrange it. So I could write place value chart. Could put 1s, 10s, 100s. So before I start writing it, I could put it myself. So I know I have 400s because I have it. So I cross it out. I have 8 10s. So I put it 8 in the 10s. And I have 3 1s. Oh, it should have been yellow. Oh no, I was right. Blue. See? And then I'll put it. So now I know that my number value of the set is 483. So hopefully I put it correctly. It's this one, 483. So that's what happens when I don't have it in order. Keep that in mind. Okay. Where's the value of the set? Now this one is a different set. Keep in mind now I have 1 of the hundreds, 5 of the tens, and 14 of the ones. Some of you got it really quick. If you want to try it by yourself, put pause and then reveal the answer. If you're still confused because this one is like Friday we went over it, but I didn't see every group, then I'm gonna model this one, especially since this week was short week. I'm gonna have Tuesday starting. Okay, so again, I could draw it, or I could write the value. This is 100. 5 tens is 50. 14 ones is still 14. So I had a picture here. I could add them, but now I'm gonna draw my pictorial form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and I have 1 of the hundreds. Okay. So I see the set. I clearly have 100. When I'm looking at my tens, I'm noticing that I have 5 tens, but these 10 ones made another 10. So now I no longer have 5 tens. In fact, I have 6 10. And some of you were able to see that. Oh, 14 has a 110 right there. So now I clearly have 6 tens. Keep in mind this is gonna get more difficult with time because I'm introduce something new later on. Now this already became a 10, so now I have 4 of the decomposed ones. They couldn't compose to another 10, so I have 4 ones. So my number should be 164. Okay, so again, 164 is the value of 100 plus 5 tens plus 14 ones. Keep that in mind because the 14 ones compose 110. So now I have 6 tens. Okay, hopefully that made some sense. If not, put pause, think about a picture, think about what makes it 10. And you're always welcome back to see the videos about compose and decompose from last week, Tuesday actually. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back, and it is 161. Okay. And then I'm gonna go over the conclusion of the lesson. We determine the value of this set. Sometimes I use pictorial model, sometimes I use the expanded form. Don't forget that Tuesday is recorded lesson, so this is the recording, but then you're gonna check Schoology assignments every day, not just when you see Miss Bernice or Miss Hart. Check for math and science. You have to complete extra math session and play Prodigy for 20 minutes. I noticed that a lot of people actually completed their little assignment that I have for them. So good job. Keep it up. And then once you're done with that, don't forget, like another note, complete the assignment with a puzzle piece. Every time you see that, that will be taken for grade. You remember, I'm picking the 2 highest. So if you don't have a lot of those, your grade actually goes a little bit lower because it's nothing for me to average. Okay. So make sure you're being responsible, completing your assignments every day, and logging into Schoology.